Hi there, in this video I'll show you the procedure to add Vanilla Visa gift card to Apple Wallet. To add a Vanilla Visa gift card to your Apple Wallet, you have to follow these steps. So it's like adding a basic credit card or debit card to your Apple Wallet. So this is the same procedure. You just have to go ahead and open up or launch the Apple Wallet application first of all. So all you need to do is tap the plus button in the top right corner of your screen. Next, you want to select this option that is either debit card or credit card. After which, you want to hold your Vanilla Visa card near your iPhone to allow the app to automatically capture the details. If scanning doesn't work, you can enter the card number, name and other details manually as well. Next, what you want to do is Apple Wallet may prompt you to enter additional information like an email address or a phone number to verify the card. Once you've entered the scanned card details and verified them, tap on the next button to add the Vanilla Visa card to your Apple Wallet. And this is how you could actually add Vanilla Visa gift card to your Apple Wallet. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.